Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech and banking hacks to make your life a whole lot easier. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to check overdraft in Lloyds Bank for 2025. Whether you're a student managing your first account or a busy professional keeping tabs on your finances, knowing your overdraft status is crucial to avoiding unexpected fees. With Lloyds Bank's updated features for 2025, like enhanced app security and quicker access, this process is more straightforward than ever. So, let's dive right in. First things first, the easiest way to check your overdraft is through the Lloyds Bank mobile app. Make sure you've got the latest 2025 version installed on your phone. Open the app, log in with your biometric authentication, like fingerprint or facial recognition for added security, and head to the Accounts tab. There, you'll see a clear overview of your balance, including any overdraft limits and usage. It's that simple. If you prefer the web, fire up your computer and visit the Lloyds Bank website. Log in with your credentials and navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Overdraft Summary section. It's usually right at the top for quick visibility. Lloyds has made this even better in 2025 with real-time updates, so you'll see if you're approaching your limit instantly. For those on the go, you can also check at an ATM. Insert your card, enter your PIN, and select Balance Inquiry. Your overdraft details will pop up alongside your available funds. Just remember, ATMs might not show as much detail as the app, so use this for a quick check. If you need personalized help, pop into a Lloyds branch. A friendly advisor can pull up your account details and explain your overdraft status in person. Don't forget, in 2025, Lloyds is emphasizing digital-first approaches, so they might encourage using the app for faster service. A few quick tips. Always keep an eye on your limits to avoid charges, enable notifications in the app for low balance alerts, and if you run into any issues, contact Lloyds support through their 24/7 chat feature. There you have it. Checking your overdraft doesn't have to be a hassle. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more banking tips, and let us know in the comments what you'd like us to cover next. See you soon.